איפה זה נדבק ונדבק?
עכשיו, תוריד. פחות משנה בדיוק באמצע.
As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone Challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
I'm Shem Magnezi. I'm co-founder and CTO of Wilco.
I'm Alon Carmel. I'm co-founder and CPO of Wilco.
Wilco's mission is to empower every engineer to unlock their full potential.
Describe Alon in one word.
If I have to choose only one word, I would say humble.
Really nice. And for some reason, maybe I'm more qualified flying because I've flown one drone in my life. So winners only. Here, maybe.
Here we go.
I'm so curious to see if not having the CEO in the room makes them more productive.
Well, I'm loving this confidence. Let's see if they can win it.
למעלה.
He's really got his co-founders back. It's actually not surprising. Their company is super interesting. These guys are moving really fast. They are setting the pace for this tournament. All three!
They took all the SPAC balloons and now they're heading to growth stage.
לאט, תיזהר.
Smooth on the growth. Let's see that in real life.
Sure that On, the CEO, will be super proud of these guys. If there's one thing I've learned is On, you should stay at home.
רגע, אלון.
We don't have a rega.
אל תנסה בדיוק באמצע, כי עשית עד עכשיו טוב, אז כאילו, תעשה אפילו באדום.
What an encouragement. This guy's really got his partners back.
איפה זה נדבק ונדבק?
עכשיו, תוריד. פחות משנה בדיוק באמצע.
Yeah! Go Wilco!
I think he did a really good job. More than we expected.
More than I expected, yeah. He didn't behave accordingly to the remote, so going fast through them was a good tip.
It doesn't matter if you practice, it doesn't matter what you did before. It's just taking the remote and trying your best.
You ready to find out the time?
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow!
Impressive. Losers.
No, good job everyone, but not amazing, like Alon did.
Nice.